Good morning everybody, and welcome to the Gwar Valley Waterfall and Candleston Castle ruins. So you join us from a lay-by in South Wales, just outside Bridgend, where today we look at doing the Garw Valley Waterfall Scramble, and then we're going to go have a look at Candleston Castle. Yeah, so this walk wasn't originally planned, so I haven't done much research on it, so yeah, let's see what there's to see. So on the map it did say this is a car park, but looks more like a lay-by. So, but obviously not being from the area, not 100% sure where the car parks are, but yeah, this I do. But I'll leave the postcode on the screen now for where we are. Yeah, sun's out, lovely day. Let's go. So the waterfall walk we're doing today, it says it's 6k, and I got the information off the All Trials app, so I'll leave all the route name in the description. Yeah, but it says it should take 1 to 2 hours, so expecting pretty decent paths for that time. So the actual original route from All Trials tells you to park down here. Looks like on a narrow lane. Obviously, being in the van, I thought it best to find somewhere a bit bigger to park. So if you do follow the All Trials to the starting point, it will lead you down to this road down here. But I'll put all the information in the description about where you're supposed to park or where I parked. Yeah, and then you apparently walk up for this valley, and then our paths join just up here. And I just noticed that lovely dark cloud up there as well. So I was just thinking to myself, I wonder how busy this route will be. Turn the corner, there's 2 people walking a dog in front of me. So looking at the map, looks like we're walking straight for the Middle East forests here. And what I said earlier about it being lovely and sunny, just started to rain. Yeah, so that's the path we're taking now, and this is the path to come back down. Yeah, so it is like a big circular, and I'm guessing somewhere around here. Yeah, here. This is the path we should have come up if we parked down on the road. Yeah, we're going this way. And so it may not look steep, but it's that really annoying slight gradient that literally kills your legs. Yeah, so I think we're heading up there into these woods. This place does seem really popular with bike riders. I might have to get my bike out of the days and go for a ride, make a video going over the chase on my bike. Yeah, just gonna double check which way we're going now. do love that sound when you're walking through a forest and all you can hear is just the birds tweeting and the stream going. There's nobody around. Yeah, absolutely peaceful. So I think this is the turn off to go to the waterfall. I'm pretty sure I just start hearing now as well. Yeah, let's grab a look. So this path down to the waterfall is extremely boggy. Yeah, so if you do come down to here, yeah, I'd definitely have some walking boots on. It's not the biggest waterfall, but it's really pretty. It's just like in this valley of the trees. Right, Richard brought my swimming stuff with me now. Going for quite a nice little dip in this. What a nice, quaint, small little waterfall just rambling in the woods. Yeah, so we're gonna head back around now, carry on, then we're gonna go look at some castle ruins. Yeah, let's go. Look at it, how nice is this? Somebody's actually put some rope up here to actually help you up. So, as we're just heading around, so I thought to mention, so we are now Comes Adventures on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. So all the links are in the description, so if you want to go check them out, so I post a lot of those shorts of the stuff we see and pictures, more information. Yeah, so if you're going to go check them out, really help us out, I do appreciate it. Yeah, so we just come back to the circular crossroads where we started, where we went off that way. We just come down there. Yeah, so not far away from the van now. Oh, that's a nice little walk that was, so not too difficult at all. So it's a bit boggy and muddy at places, especially if we go down to the waterfall. So yeah, so I'll bring you back when we get to Candleston Castle. I'll see you in a bit. So yeah, welcome to Candleston Castle car park. But so today it's been a bit weird, so there's a food festival event on here today, so I've had to park on the road. So yeah, a bit annoying, but I'll leave the postcode for this place on the screen now, and I know it's a paying display, so I'll find the picture of the car park costing and I'll leave that up for you. Yeah, so let's go look at Candleston Castle. Candleston Castle is a 14th century fortified manor house built by the Cantilupe family. Through marriage, the estate passed through many families, the Horton family and then to the Craddock family in the late 15th century. Wonder what's in there. From the late 14th century, the local sand dunes of Merthyr Mawr began encroaching on the surrounding farmland. So, looks like they put some reinforcements in. Over time, the dunes made the manor's agricultural land worthless, contributing to its decline. Yeah, what a random little find. Not the biggest ruins, but literally they're about a 1-minute walk from the car park. By the 18th and 19th centuries, the building was used as a farmhouse. The castle was finally abandoned by the late 19th century and then fell into ruin. Oh, what cool little ruins. Yeah, let's have a little walk around now. Is there anything else around here? Yeah, I'll bring you back, find anything else cool. Yeah, that was Candleston Castle. Yeah, nice little ruins to have a look around, and say it's only just off the car park. Yeah, so I'm gonna head back to the van now. So it's about a half-mile walk, so I couldn't get in the car park. Yeah, fun little day, cool little waterfall, some nice little ruins to look around. So thank you for watching, everybody. If you could do us a favour, if you could like, subscribe, it grows out the channel. And I'll see you all next Saturday at 6 o'clock. Bye.